Hey, when you go to the big city, you can count on a couple of things. Skyscrapers, great restaurants and food, great entertainment. You can also count on a few other things, unfortunately, some really nasty, dirty sidewalks, gum stuck on the light post, and graffiti. Now, what's a city official to do? Well, they use the power of steam to clean all that up for you. Well, here's how it works. The city has steam cleaners, and you put some water in, you heat it up to a high temperature until it turns into steam. Then under high pressure, they shoot it at the sidewalk, they shoot it at the graffiti, they shoot it at the gum and the light post, and steam has the power to strip all that out, leaving it nice and clean. Now, the cool thing about that is it is a renewable. You've got water, you add a heat source, no chemicals, very Mother Nature approved. So the next time you're walking through the city and you see a clean sidewalk and a graffiti-free wall, with apologies to all the cool graffiti artists out there, you can thank steam for that because it's behind the scenes making our world a cleaner place. So I hope you enjoyed that episode. We'd love to see you here again, and you can achieve that by clicking that subscribe button. Thanks, I'll see you next time.